All right, with our gnocchi, I'm gonna add 1 rotisserie chicken that I shredded right in there. I have my stove on medium heat. Next, we're gonna add some shredded carrots, and we're gonna add about 2 cups of shredded carrots in there. Which is gonna be this whole bag. Perfect. Next, we're adding some baby spinach. We're gonna make sure this all gets nice and snug in there. The spinach will shrink, so keep that in mind. Beautiful. I have here 6 cups of chicken broth, and I did the 33% less sodium, and we're gonna pour that right in there. This is gonna be a super easy, super delicious soup. 1 pot soup that everyone will love. If you've ever had gnocchi, you will love this soup. It is so yummy. It's kind of like a take on the Olive Garden gnocchi soup, but it is gonna be so much better because it is homemade in your house, and it only takes about 15 minutes to throw together. So we're adding the whole 6 cups of our chicken broth right in there with our chicken, our carrots, our spinach. Now, if you don't like carrots and if you don't like spinach, you can, substitute them for something you do like. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with 1 cup of heavy cream. This is gonna add some great flavor to our delicious soup. So good. Now to thicken up our broth and heavy cream, I have some mashed potatoes, the instant ones, and this is 4 ounces. And we're gonna put this whole bag of mashed potatoes into our soup. And I know that seems a little untraditional, but this is a great thickening agent. Now it's time to season this. So we're gonna add some Italian seasoning, and you can season this however you like with as much as you like, but this is gonna be a nice hearty bowl of soup. So we gotta make sure we add a good amount of soup seasoning to it. We're gonna do some garlic powder because it wouldn't be a Justine Cameron recipe without some garlic.
You love your garlic.
Oh yeah, and don't worry, we're gonna give this a mix. We're just gonna finish this off with, of course, a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. I cannot wait for this to be done. So let's go ahead and grab our spoon, and it is time to mix everything together. This is the biggest pot I own, so this is how I have to do it, but don't worry, this is gonna come together beautifully. All right, that is perfectly mixed together. It is time to put our lid on and let it cook for 15 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes on medium heat, and look at that. We're gonna go ahead and turn off the heat and give that a good mix. Oh my goodness, that looks absolutely delicious. Now, if you want it to be a little bit of a thicker soup, you can add more of that instant mashed potatoes. Maybe grab 2 bags. They're only $1 each, but I think this looks absolutely delicious. Woo! All right, it is time to give this a try. I have my bowl and my spoon here, and we're just gonna fill her up.
Yeah, make sure you get all that chicken in there.
Yeah, so good. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Well, it's gonna be a little hot, but it's gonna be delicious. Oh, it smells like chicken noodle soup. I'm ready.
Is it good?
That is incredible. So good.